Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So as you can see, I've got the percentage currently set. It is inside the battery icon, but if you've got only the battery indicator, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to find notifications and control center, and here let's scroll down to find the status bar. And as you can see, at the very bottom of the status bar section, we've got the battery indicator, so just tap on it, and here we've got obviously 3 different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this option applied, so only the battery indicator. I've got this one, so inside the battery icon, but we can also set next to the battery icon. That was a misclick. So let me tap on this option, and as you can see, it will immediately appear next to the battery icon, so the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be displayed on the status bar. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.